Alright guys, and run this for Ben Decker. He's got to pick one here, 3:39 p.m. We will type live on the post. We are live. 3:39 p.m. 3:39 p.m. We are going to grab the list. 18 spots. And I always double check. 18 spots, so we are good. We're going to drop that into random. We have 18 entries. Bill Carroll on the top and the bottom. Alright guys, we'll roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. That's good. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, Jason Will. Spot number 8. You are the winner. Get in touch with Ben and pick your bobblehead. We are done. 3:40 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 3:40 p.m. and 3:40 p.m.